Welcome to today's Sociology lecture, where we'll explore the intricate tapestry of human society. Get ready to delve into thought-provoking concepts, unravel societal patterns, and gain a deeper understanding of the concept of crime and deviance in society. Crime generally refers to an act or the commission of an act that is forbidden or the omission of a duty that is commanded by a public law, and that makes the offender liable to punishment by that law. It can encompass a wide range of activities deemed harmful or threatening to individuals, communities, or society at large. Laws define what constitutes a crime and specify the punishments for those who commit them. In a sociological context, crime is often studied as a social phenomenon shaped by various factors such as social structures, institutions, and cultural norms. Sociologists explore how crime is defined, who defines it, and how societies respond to criminal behavior. They analyze the social conditions that may contribute to criminal behavior, including poverty, inequality, and lack of access to education. Moreover, sociologists consider the role of power dynamics, labeling, and social control in the criminal justice system. The labeling theory, for instance, emphasizes how individuals may be labeled as criminals based on societal reactions, which can influence their subsequent behavior. Sociological perspectives also examine how certain groups may be disproportionately targeted or disadvantaged within the legal system. In essence, the sociological study of crime goes beyond individual acts and looks at the broader social, economic, and cultural factors that influence the occurrence, perception, and response to criminal behavior. Certainly, in the sociological context, crime is often viewed through different theoretical perspectives. Here are a few key sociological theories related to crime. Strain theory, developed by Robert Merton. This theory suggests that crime is a result of the strain individuals feel when they are unable to achieve culturally prescribed goals through legitimate means. This strain can lead to deviant behavior, as individuals seek alternative paths to success. Now, let's just discuss about social learning theory shortly. This theory, associated with Edwin Sutherland, posits that individuals learn criminal behavior through interactions with others. It emphasizes the role of socialization and the influence of peers and significant others in shaping criminal tendencies. The theory we are going to discuss now is the control theory on crime and deviance, developed by Travis Hirsky. Control theory suggests that individuals are naturally inclined towards deviant behavior and social bonds, and controls are necessary to prevent them from engaging in criminal activities. Strong social bonds, such as family and community ties, act as deterrents. Another theory on crime and deviance is conflict theory. This perspective, associated with Karl Marx, focuses on the idea that crime is a result of social conflict and economic inequality. It argues that the legal system and criminal justice system serve the interests of the powerful and contribute to the perpetuation of social inequalities. Now we will discuss about symbolic interactionism on crime and deviance. This perspective explores how symbols and interactions contribute to the construction of meaning, including the labeling of individuals as criminals. It emphasizes the importance of societal reactions and labels in shaping the behavior of those labeled as deviant. Next one that we are going to discuss shortly is labeling theory on crime and deviance. This theory, associated with Howard Becker, emphasizes the significance of societal reactions and labels in the formation of deviant identities. It suggests that once an individual is labeled as a criminal, it can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, influencing future behavior. And our next sociological theory is feminist criminology. Feminist perspectives in criminology highlight gender inequalities in the understanding and treatment of crime. They examine how traditional theories often overlook or misinterpret the experiences of women in the criminal justice system and emphasize the need for a gender-sensitive approach to stud. Next one is life course criminology. This theory examines how criminal behavior evolves over an individual's life. It considers the impact of various life events, transitions, and social bonds in shaping one's propensity for criminal activities at different stages of life. Next sociological theory that we are going to discuss is environmental criminology. This perspective focuses on the spatial and environmental factors influencing criminal behavior. It considers how aspects like urban design, neighborhood characteristics, and physical environments contribute to the likelihood of crime occurrences. Now we will discuss about broken windows theory on crime and deviance. This theory suggests that visible signs of disorder and neglect in a community like broken windows or graffiti can contribute to an increase in crime. The idea is that these signs signal a lack of social control, encouraging further deviant behavior. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more.